Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the M.2 SSD in your HP Pavilion 15BC 450NS. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the upgrade. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of your laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is typically situated near the center of the motherboard. If you see an existing SSD, you will need to unscrew the mounting screw holding it in place. Carefully slide the SSD out of the slot at a slight angle. If you are replacing an old SSD, ensure you dispose of it properly. Now take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Gently insert it at the same angle you used to remove the old one. Once it is securely in place, press it down and replace the mounting screw to hold it firmly. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your device. Once you have completed the cleaning, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Now, if this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home for professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can have your laptop serviced without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. You can also receive a quote before any repair work is carried out, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Finally, reconnect the battery if applicable, plug in your laptop, and power it on. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. Once confirmed, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the M.2 SSD in your HP Pavilion 50BC 450NS. Enjoy the enhanced performance and storage capacity of your upgraded laptop. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.